name's Rachel, I run Curious Cat Books in the UK, and today I am unboxing my order from Paperchase, which is like a stationery store in the UK. I ordered 4 items and I got them at half price because there was a key worker discount on. I'm going to show you what I got and have a rummage and see what we think. So the first one is this cute little key ring, and this is a ginger cat keyring, and it's like a puffy with googly eyes. It retails at £4 and I got it for half price, so I got this for 2. And just look at that face. What else have we got in the box of wonders? Ah, my last writing buddy arrived, and now I have a piece of toast. I should not be allowed to shop online, guys. I should not be allowed. This is Toasty, and he's an amuseable, and what's his official name? I am a small amuseable toast, so that's his name. I think he was about 15, and obviously I got him for half price. So actually, really cute. And I'm going to sit him on my desk with the other 2, and I'll take a picture and post that to my social media when they're all sat together. So this is Toasty, everybody. Whilst there should be 2 more things in here, but they packed it really well. They pack it in this, and then you've got to kind of rummage and find your stuff. The next things are my brush pens, and I'm trying to learn to do nicer handwriting and like calligraphy. So I ordered these Pentel Arts brush sign pens, and they come in 3 different colours. I haven't done much research on these pens. I just saw them, and they were, I think they were about a £5. So, oh, okay, they are, I want to say Japanese, very light material, but it's got like, I don't think you can tell on camera, it's like glittery, so it's kind of cool. Let's have a look at the other 2 while I'm here. Ooh, it's not blue, it's purple. Oh, I like it even more now. How cool are they? Brush pens. I'm going to give those a try later on, and we'll see how they are. Final item. Now this, other than Toasty, because Toasty was like the reason for the whole order, I'm going to be honest. Other than Toasty, this is my favourite item, and you're going to see why. You know I've got a black cat. You know I love my Trevor more than anything. So I got this. And this is a pussycat pencil case. It says take a peek inside, so I'll show you inside, but it's a pencil case and it's priced at £10 RRP, so I got this for a £5, well worth a £5. It's quite big, as you can see, it's quite big, and it's like a plasticky leathery feel. The only thing I'm not sure about are the ears, because I'm frightened that me being the rough shove it in my handbag sort of person that I am, they might come off, but I can live with that. Let's open the front. Oh, it's got more cats. More cats. And look. Look. He's one of them. This has like a little front pocket for your rubbers, whatever you're going to put in there. And then the main bit is less fancy, but it comes with this to keep it in place, and then it's got paw prints on the inside. And I'm looking forward to putting my frequently used pens in this, because for those of you that know me, I have a lot of pens. I recommend you have a look at Paperchase, even if there's no sale on, because I just think the items are so cute and cuddly and mine. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed checking out my Paperchase unboxing video. I will be back again with another video soon. Stay safe, stay curious, and thanks for watching. Bye.